fit in there. Hey, I can play it. I can fit it.
Suck. No, you're a bit big.
Hey, I can play it. I can fit it.
You could lower it.
Yeah, I can play it. I can fit it.
What do you see in the mirror?
Myself.
Yourself?
And your camera.
And my camera? Hello?
See?
He fit?
Okay, Daddy has to keep working now. Come on.
I can fit. Cool.
How was it in there, Gabriel? A bit squashy? And a bit dark? And a bit dark? How about you put that down, huh?
I could even see.
Could you
I
see?
can even see the outside.
Oh.